Hi everyone, this is a video about this Parkside laser sprit level that is really good and from Lidl, and the price was $7.99. And whoever that needs a laser level or a sprit level which has light under the bubble levels and it has a laser level, I urge you to go and buy this because the price of this $7.99 at Lidl is a bargain, and on eBay they are selling this for about £20, and the minimum price that I could find on eBay it was £17. So the price is between 17 to 20 pounds, and the price of Lidl is about $7.99. So I get everything out of the box and then we talk more. So when you get everything out of the box, there is nothing more than you could see there apart from the warranty and the illustration how to use this. There is nothing on this side, and in the middle is just some short instruction. Here you can read it. I totally recommend this item because of the price and the quality of the Parkside items. So we know that is made in Germany. So let's have a look at it. It comes with a, reasonable quality miniature tripod that it has. I think it has some of it. It has 3 sections, and this one is not coming out. Okay, I just maybe jinked myself because this is not coming out. I don't know what is happening here, but we just say that is 2 section. I can always take it back because of this tripod. And then is the item itself. I just was a little bit premature to talk about German quality, and that happened. So this is a laser light, and it comes with 2 AAA batteries, and how you put the AAA batteries is from here. You just press this and open it, and here it shows you how to put the batteries in there like so, and then shut it down. So now we have this laser light that you can mount it on this that I don't know why is not coming out. So let's have a look at it. First we have 2 spirit levels here, and when you press this you have a LED light, and in dark places you can see those. And then when you press this one you have a cross. Let me just put this black piece here, maybe you can see it better. You have a cross, and you have something here that you can change the change it to cross, and then the spot, and then the line. So I show you here, this is the cross and this is the line, and this is the spot and this is the line. It is not bad. It is not very bright, but it does the job really. And if you look at my hand, maybe you can see it better. I must say about the laser lights, you should never ever ever point it at your eyes, or always you should avoid getting to some angles that the reflection of this can bounce back to your eyes. So it's very dangerous. But in terms of quality, is not bad. It has 2 magnets here. These 2 magnets, they are not very strong, and if I want to demonstrate that, is just I have this ruler here. and this ruler is metal, and as you see is not very strong, but it does the job, as you see, but it's good. I put this aside. It has a tape measure here, ruler here, sorry, the ruler here on both sides in centimeters, and you have normal warnings and have the specification on this side and warnings about the laser light. And here we have 4 screws, 2 in here and 2 in there, for those that they want to open this and see what is happening inside. That I don't think much is happening. Some resistors for these 2 LEDs. There is one here and one there. I don't know if you can see it under this light. So it's very novel idea to have, you know, with some sort of inexpensive item, you have LEDs shining on the spirit levels, and you have 3-position laser light that is cross and then point and then the line that you can turn the line horizontal or vertical, and the pointer as well is really helpful. So I won't take much of your time. This was about this Parkside laser spirit level, but let's see if it does says that you have LED light in there as well. I'm sure that in the specification it says it. You can read it, pause and read it, but fully recommend this for the price and the capability of this for putting up shelves and, you know, drawing a straight line on the wall for whatever reason that you may do, and fully recommendable. Anyhow, I hope you like my video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.